The enigmatic Genghis Khan's tomb has captivated historians and archaeologists for centuries, famously spanning Asia to Europe. The unstoppable empire, battling most and matching Japan's skilled samurai, reportedly kept its burial site hidden for security. To conceal the destruction of evidence, rivers were redirected and horses were used to obscure the site. This profound secrecy adds to the tomb's allure, making it one of history's most captivating mysteries. Despite the intrigue, many scholars have hesitated to search for the tomb. As disturbing, it is considered culturally taboo in Mongolia, where Genghis Khan is revered as a national hero. The Mongol Empire was built on strategic cunning. Khan's forces would lure enemies into canyons, ambush them, and leave no one alive. This approach of balancing reverence for tradition with the pursuit of knowledge underscores the cultural significance of his legacy. Respect for tradition and fear of disturbing this legend have held back many from exploring his burial site, but the quest to uncover it persists. Over the years, many have sought Khan's tomb, blending scientific approaches with local Mongolian folklore. Despite repeated failures, the allure of solving this mystery is powerful. For researchers, the motivation goes beyond uncovering treasures. It is driven by a deep human desire to solve a centuries-old enigma. Explorers have analyzed ancient texts, satellite imagery, and even animal migration patterns to uncover clues about Khan's resting place. Many believe the sacred mountain in northeastern Mongolia holds his tomb, igniting renewed interest in the area. Technology has brought fresh hope. As scientific methods evolve, we now possess tools capable of revealing humanity's distant past in unprecedented detail. Scientists discovered that Genghis Khan's impact is reflected in carbon data, which shows that while he was alive, humanity's carbon footprint decreased. Core samples preserve this shift, highlighting the monumental impact of his campaigns, which reduced the human population and consequently resource usage. For Mongolians, this discovery brings mixed feelings: celebration and moral tension. It raises questions about balancing newfound global interest with traditional beliefs. The significance of this discovery lies not just in finding Khan's tomb, but also in understanding a man who shaped an era. Legends speak of a traveler who mistook a mountain of bones for snow, a haunting testament to the fear Khan's forces instilled. Just when hope for locating Khan's tomb seemed lost, a team of archaeologists made a groundbreaking find. They were studying climate patterns near Burkhan Khaldun Mountain, a place long associated with Khan, when they noticed unusual soil layers. Excavation revealed a man-made structure, hinting at a hidden burial site. Modern technology played a pivotal role in unveiling this landmark discovery. Ground-penetrating radar was used to map the underground structure, while advanced metal detectors identified buried artifacts. Drones provided an aerial view, enabling the team to navigate the rugged terrain with precision. These cutting-edge tools helped archaeologists uncover intricate carvings, symbols of power, and ceremonial artifacts, all befitting a leader of Genghis Khan's stature. The defining moment came when inscriptions in ancient Mongol script were deciphered, providing strong evidence that this site could indeed be Genghis Khan's tomb. As news of this historic find spreads, the world eagerly awaits to learn what secrets lie within. The discovery of Genghis Khan's long-lost tomb is a monumental event that has captivated historians, archaeologists, and enthusiasts worldwide. For centuries, the whereabouts of the tomb have been a mystery, shrouded in legend and speculation. Revered as one of history's most enigmatic and powerful figures, Genghis Khan's tomb represents not just a physical resting place, but a treasure trove of historical insights into the Mongol Empire and its influence. A legacy shrouded in mystery, Genghis Khan, born Temujin, rose from humble beginnings in the rugged Mongolian steppes of the 12th century to establish the largest contiguous empire in history. His leadership united nomadic tribes, ushering in an era of military conquest, cultural exchange, and unparalleled power. Despite his significant impact on history, Genghis Khan ensured his final resting place would remain a secret. According to Mongolian legends, the location of his tomb was deliberately concealed to protect it from desecration. It is said that all those who participated in his burial were executed to ensure the secrecy of the site. Rivers were diverted to flow over the burial ground, and wild horses trampled the area to erase any evidence. Over time, these measures gave rise to a tantalizing enigma, as historians and archaeologists struggled to uncover any trace of the tomb. The significance of the tomb. The search for Genghis Khan's tomb is not merely an archaeological quest. It represents a cultural and historical journey into the heart of the Mongol Empire and the legacy of its most iconic leader. The tomb's discovery could provide unparalleled insights into the era, revealing artifacts, inscriptions, and structures that may redefine our understanding of the Mongol social, religious, and political practices. For Mongolians, Genghis Khan is not just a historical figure, but a national hero and a symbol of unity and strength. The reverence for his legacy has created a cultural sensitivity around the search for his tomb, with many believing it should remain undisturbed out of respect. This duality between the global thirst for knowledge and Mongolia's cultural values has added complexity to the search. The breakthrough discovery in a recent groundbreaking development, a team of archaeologists made a discovery near Burkhan Khaldan, a sacred mountain long associated with Genghis Khan. This site has been revered in Mongolian folklore as a potential location for the tomb, and its significance was confirmed by the discovery of a man-made structure hidden beneath the soil. The team, originally investigating climate patterns in the region, stumbled upon unusual soil formations that suggested human intervention. Using modern technologies such as ground-penetrating radar, drones, and advanced metal detectors, they began mapping the area. The results were astonishing: an underground structure adorned with intricate carvings, ceremonial artifacts, and symbols of power. Inscriptions in ancient Mongol script further strengthened the possibility that this was indeed Genghis Khan's final resting place. The artifacts found within the site have reignited global interest in the Mongol Empire. Ceremonial items, intricate carvings, and preserved tools of warfare were among the discoveries. Each artifact provides a glimpse into the life and times of Genghis Khan and his empire. These items not only reflect the grandeur of his rule, but also hint at the spiritual and cultural beliefs of the era. Perhaps most intriguing are the inscriptions found at the site. Written in ancient Mongol script, they are believed to contain references to Genghis Khan's life, his achievements, and his philosophy. Deciphering these inscriptions will likely unlock stories and details that have been lost to time, further enriching our understanding of one of history's most formidable leaders. Challenges and ethical considerations. The discovery of the tomb has not been without controversy. Given the cultural importance of Genghis Khan in Mongolia, the excavation has raised ethical questions. Many Mongolians see the tomb as a sacred site that should remain untouched, fearing that its disturbance could dishonor his legacy or disrupt the spiritual balance. The Mongolian government has taken an active role in overseeing the excavation to ensure that it is conducted respectfully and responsibly. This cultural sensitivity has created a delicate balance for the archaeological team, who are driven by a desire to uncover history, but must also respect the traditions and beliefs surrounding Genghis Khan's burial. The involvement of local scholars and community leaders has been instrumental in maintaining this balance.